In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do single whip. Single whip is the fifth movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is the old frame first routine. In the previous video, we covered 6 ceilings and 4 closings. Single whip is the follow-up to that movement. So let's get into the video. Hi, my name's Colin and welcome back to Center Life Balance. On this channel, we're sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, we're covering the fifth movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is single whip. Let's get into the training. So beginning at the end of the previous movement, which was 6 ceilings and 4 closings. The weight is on the right leg here. Left leg is more or less empty as possible. From here, we're going to turn and then bring out the hook. So the hook, you want to basically have all 4 fingers and your thumb all touching together. Thumb, thumb. So from here, next we're going to step out straight across, heel first. From here now, we're going to turn to the right, bringing the hand up in front of the body, and now we're going to shift the weight all the way across to the left leg and then relax. So this is the position for single whip. Now let's look at the movement in a little bit more detail. So coming from here, in this twisting movement here, we're twisting the hands at the same time. So we're coiling, turning the hands and turning the body. So turning the body, twisting the hands. So from here, coiling and then bring out the hook. Now the left hand should be at the height of the dantian. From here, step out, heel first. Now from here, turning a little bit and then shifting the weight, opening all the way to the left, sinking down at the end. Let's look at single whip now at normal speed. Now let's look at 6 ceilings and 4 closings, followed by single whip together. That concludes this movement, guys. In the next video, we're going to be doing Buddha's Guardian pounds the mortar, similar to the movement at the beginning of the form with a slight variation. What questions do you have about the Tai Chi form? I'd love to hear your comments, guys. Let me know in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.